Hello, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about the NgIf, which is structural directive. So, first of all, I have to explain about the directives. Directives are the changes the behavior of HTML element. It used to work on the conditions of the statements. Directives are the adds functionality and UI logic to the elements. Simply instructions to the DOM. Directives can be divided into two types. One is a structural directive, second one is a attribute directive. Coming to the structural directives, uh, structural directives are used to change the extra behavior to the elements and adds or removes elements from the DOM. So in the structural directives, it can be divided into three. These are the ngIf, ngFor, ngSwitch. Today we will discuss about the ngIf. So NgIf structural directive allows you to add and remove the element to the DOM based on the given expressions and starts with the asterisk symbol. So we will go through the example, then you can get better understanding of that NgIf structural directives. So coming to that, so I have this is the NgIf structural directive. So here I will give this is a users component.html. In the users.component.html, I'm using one element with h1 here. In the h1 I'm giving variable code. Okay, so in the variable code, I'm using ngif structural directive. In the ngif structural directive I'm giving one error mess age. This is the name, and I will give this name in the ts file. Boolean value equal to you can observe here variable code. It isn't true. It is based on the conditions. It will apply the logic to the elements. So here I have given false. If I given false here, it will not display in the HTML page. So that is the ngIf. So here what happened? I have given one HTML file, HTML element with the variable code, and I initialize the ngIf asterisk, and this message I have given in the ts file with boolean value. So based on the conditions, it will display or not. So if true condition, it will display. If you want to else condition, if it is in false, if it is in false, you can do it else. For example, notify me. So I will give and the template for else condition. In the else condition, you have to give local reference. What we have given in the else, we need to give here. Okay, so then uh, Angular step by step course. here we have given this else notify, and in the notify ng template, notify me, uh, you can provide angular step by step. If it is not displayed, if it is not true, then false condition, this notify me ng template will be displayed on the screen. So here we can see, yeah, okay, it's mistake, I think so. Yeah, here you can provide all this in double quotes. Okay, so now it will work. So it is in, now it is in false condition, angular step by step course is working. Here you can see if it is true in the user dom component.ts. If it is true, if it is true, it will display variable code. If it is false, it will display Angular step by step course. So this is the concept of Angular, NgIf condition structural directive. So I hope you understand very well. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.